Now, what is going on over here? This looks crazy. God.
Not even stolen. If they have no license, if they have someone, all this.
That is crazy.
You was in it, that is it.
So we have a terrible car accident on Barnes Avenue between East 232nd, East 233rd Street.
Everybody got back up a little bit, please. Go back on the sidewalk.
That's crazy. What's up, youngster?
I think the Mercedes was blasting the music too high.
Mercedes was blasting the music too high.
Yeah, the music was high.
What the music being high got to do with that crash right there?
You know who was wrong?
Who was wrong? The Mercedes was wrong?
Yeah.
How so?
I could tell that the Chevy was coming here.
You could tell by the way those cars are which car was in the wrong? Mm-hmm. I don't think so.
So which one? All right, which one is
You can't tell by the way the cars are which car was incorrect, because when you look at this intersection, right? You got traffic coming from more than one direction. You got traffic coming straight, and you got traffic coming through the intersection, right? So now, because those cars are the way they are, one car had to have been coming straight and one car had to have been turning. You understand? And as the car coming straight met with the car coming, he was probably going too damn fast. You understand? He tried to take evasive maneuver. He was probably moving to make that left on the corner. Now, why I can look at that and see that is because I drive every day. And I drive this street right here every day. You understand? So I know how people drive on the street. Sometimes people come the wrong way down this shit.
Yeah. I see like so much time.
Yeah, they be coming
And
fast.
I'm
Yeah,
waving. I
because
was
it's
like,
a
"What's
wide,
wrong?"
it's a wide street, so they come the wrong way fast.
I'm about to go home and go eat.
Yeah, man.
Somebody just called me and said there's a big accident, so I just came out here and see.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Alright.
All right. That's crazy from the corner of East 232nd and Barnes Avenue. Time to go. See if I can get a different perspective on this. Or is it too dark? Yeah, it's too dark to get that perspective. But that's crazy. Somebody had to get towed up. And I heard that whoever was driving the sedan ran. Now, I'm going to withhold opinion about that.